Hello. One problem I had was that when I wanted to install Windows 11 on my new laptop, in the part where I had to select the SSD and install Windows, it didn't show me anything at all. It only showed me USB, sometimes the Windows bootable USB. So where does this problem come from? The problem is that the Windows setup at that moment cannot communicate with the hardware properly because it doesn't have a driver for it. We have to go to the website of our laptop manufacturer, download our driver, download the driver for that SSD, and introduce it to it when installing Windows. My laptop is an Acer Predator. I go to the driver and download section and go down. I find the word storage. Now I go down, here it is. IRST stands for Intel Rapid Storage Technology. I'll download this, unzip it, and copy it with its folder to the USB that I want to install Windows with. I'll put it there, restart the device, and go to Windows Setup. So we're in Windows Setup now. I'm not going to teach you how to install Windows here, so I'll go through the steps one by one until I get to that part. Here, I'll select Windows Pro, for example. Well, look, it doesn't recognize my SSD right now. It only recognizes the USB drive that installed Windows. So we have to go to Load Driver and click Browse here. Now, let's go find the folder that we copied to the USB. Well, here it is. Let's open it. I'm working with VMD. Usually, it's VMD, but if it doesn't have VMD for you, select the other options that are there. I'll click VMD. Make sure this checkbox at the bottom is active so that it makes the best suggestion. See, when I uncheck it, it brings up other options, but let's leave it checked. So I'll choose this, Install. See what's added here, that's my SSD. I had previously installed Windows, so it shows a few because it partitions itself. If this is your first time doing this, you'll see one. You can click Create Partition and install your Windows. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.